video. I hope that's alright. We're in the south of France right now and we're going go-karting. There's Lewis and the MX-5 in front, Thomas and my E91 behind. And Thomas let me drive his S2000. I've never driven the S2000, and in case you can notice, we're on the right side. So yeah, just thought I would give you guys an impression of what this car is like. And I guess you can sort of call this a review. It does have some mods. As far as I know, it has a different exhaust, which you will hear later. It has a teen suspension or Tyne, which is I think a Japanese suspension. Then we've got Nankang AR1s. I'm not sure what else. I think stock brakes. We'll have to ask Thomas later. So we're just leaving our Airbnb right now. So enough time to get the engine warm and to talk a little bit about what we know or can assume about the car. No touch, very nice. I mean, I've heard a lot of great things about this car. The VTEC is fantastic. It's quick, it's not the fastest, but it's still a quick car. Shifter is very nice already. We are sitting in a Recaro pole position, so the seating position is fantastic. Very nice and low, very tight feeling here. Pretty big tunnel here for the gearbox. So far the pedals are very nice and tight. What is a little bit different, but I guess this is Honda, is the throttle comes from the top and goes like this, opposed to it coming from the bottom and going like this, like on BMWs mostly. Yeah, other than that, let's just go out for a nice evening cruise. It's 6 p.m, 29 degrees, and enjoy the roads a little bit. So I'll see you when the roads get twisty. So engine is slowly warm. I don't think there's much point in me talking while I'm driving, because this car is pretty loud. Did you upgrade the brakes? Huh? Did you upgrade the brakes? Suspension? Suspension and tires and exhaust. And that's it? How much power? How much power? 240. And when does VTEC kick in?
5, 6.
That's what I thought, okay. Do you rev it high?
You have to use 6 to 9 actually.
Okay. car is fantastic. I don't think we once went over 100 kilometers per hour. But you're having so much fun. There's so much noise and excitement going on. That's what I love about driving slow cars fast. Even though this car isn't slow, it has 240 horsepower. But it's not like we're in a modern day turbocharged car, you're breaking the speed limit immediately. A lot of grip in these Nankangs. What a car. It was hard to focus on exact things about the car, but it's fantastic to drive in the mountains. Enough power to go quick, but not too much power to be going too quick. It's so much fun and so involving. I love the gearbox, very tight, though I'm a little bit slow at shifts still because I don't want to ruin this guy's gearbox, and especially on a right-hand drive car, so always have to get used to it a little bit newly. But fantastic to drive. I love the response of the throttle. This is very typical for Honda, I guess. I'm not sure if this is due to a light flywheel or how they do it. And this high revving 4-cylinder engine is quite something special. I'm not sure if there's anything like that for a road going car, but big thank you to Thommy for letting me have a rep in this thing. I think we're gonna enjoy the road a little bit more, enjoy the sunset. So yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, and if you liked it enough, please subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully with more effort in filming, a little bit less one-take style, because I do prefer making proper films for you guys.